हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल अगेन। लास्ट वाले वीडियो में हमने जाना अबाउट द एडवांटेजेस ऑफ एडीआर, जहाँ बहुत सारे पॉइंट्स डिस्कस किए हैं मैंने। सेम वे टुडे आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट द डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ एडीआर। वैसे दोस्तों, इफ यू आर अ लॉ स्टूडेंट, ऑल दिस पॉइंट्स you can note it down for your exams. And if you are not a law student, then also you can watch it. So if you haven't watched my previous video, that is the advantages of ADR, you can click on the I button and link is also given in the description. So लगे रहिए वीडियो के end तक. So the first disadvantages of ADR is that there is no guaranteed resolution. जितना भी alternative process है, that does not always lead to a resolution. इसका मतलब ये है पार्टीज टाइम और पैसा को इन्वेस्ट तो करते हैं रिजॉल्व द डिस्प्यूट आउटसाइड द कोर्ट, बट स्टिल देयर इज नो गारंटीड रेजोल्यूशन क्योंकि पार्टीज मे नॉट वांट द रेजोल्यूशन। Second disadvantages है decisions are final. Once the decisions given by an arbitrator, it is binding on both the parties and it is not appealable in any court. Decisions are final ताकि कोर्ट के समय बच जाए. As behind forming the alternative dispute resolution is that to save the court's time and lower the burden of the court. So जो भी decisions दिया जाता है ADR में वो सभी binding होता है both the parties में. Third disadvantages है facts may not be fully disclosed. Because there is no equivalent of disclosure in arbitration as in litigation, there is a risk that parties may resolve a dispute without knowing all the facts, which may lead to a wrong decision. वैसे दोस्तों, लिटिगेशन में पार्टीज को अवेयर किया जाता है कोर्ट के द्वारा अबाउट द फैक्ट्स ऑफ द केसेस, बट समटाइम्स दे डोंट डिस्क्लोज फुली द फैक्ट्स ऑफ द केसेस टू द पार्टीज. The fourth disadvantages of ADR is that ADR is not for all the matters or cases. ADR is used for such matters which can be early resolved without going for litigation. But there are certain cases like criminal cases which has to go on through litigation and cannot be resolved through ADR. So it is not for all the matters. The fifth disadvantages of ADR is that non-appealable. As the decisions or award of ADR are not appealable and the decisions are final, it becomes one of the disadvantages of ADR because the parties may not be satisfied of what decisions or awards were given by the arbitrator. So guys, these are some of the disadvantages of ADR.
So आज के लिए इतना ही। अगर आप लोगों को वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें if you are new to this channel. चलिए मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीक विद न्यू टॉपिक।